What's going on, YouTube? This is Marcos from the Equipment Eye Pressure Washer, back again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna wash and stain these handrails. Okay, as you can see, got a little mold and stuff on it from where it hasn't had any stain. It's not much, so I'm not gonna even use a pressure washer with this. I'm just gonna use my pump sprayer and a water hose just to rinse it off. Show you that you can do this without using equipment. The cleaning for this handrail. Still a little wet, but basically what we was doing was just getting all the mold and stuff off, which I did accomplish that. So we're gonna let this dry for a day and come back and we're gonna do the staining. Okay, as you can see, it's a lot whiter now. All the mold and stuff is gone. Okay, the way we're gonna do this, I'm just gonna take this box and put it on the ground, make sure that I don't get nothing on the concrete. And I'm just gonna take the brush and brush everything in. Shouldn't take but maybe 30 minutes or so. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start this time lapse. Enjoy. Okay guys, I'm wrapping up here. I just got these final little spindles that I have to do. So let me give you a tip real fast. As you're staining your wood, you may feel like that you're not covering it good, especially with transparent colors. You need to just put one coat on it. When you see it change color, move on. If it's not dark enough for you, don't go back and paint it because it's not going to change color at all. The only thing it's going to do is just waste your stain. So just wait until you do the whole area that you were trying to do, come back a couple hours later, then touch up. Because what's going to happen is the stain is going to get absorbed in the wood and it may look way different from what you first started off with. So I'm going to show you something. As soon as I get this first rail I did. These are the first two. They still kind of wet, but it's gonna change color. But now you see it's kind of evening out. It's not looking like spotty or anything, like you missed a spot or anything like that. Like I said, give it time, let it dry, and it's gonna change the way it looks. Okay, YouTube, I'm finished. Let's take a look at the handrails. And remember, I did not pressure wash this. Only thing I did was I used a pump sprayer with my mix that I use on fences and houses. So it didn't take much to do. I think I probably used less than maybe, I didn't even use even a quarter of SH to do this. But like I said, I had a pump sprayer. I just filled it up to probably like maybe 1.5 gallons with a 3% mix. Went back and sprayed everything. And as soon as after I sprayed everything, I just went back and washed it with a water hose. Didn't use no high pressure or anything like that. It didn't need it. But as you can see, it looks real good. I covered everything from top to bottom on the inside. Okay, YouTube, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you was entertained. If not, at least I hope that you learned something from it. If you didn't find it entertaining or learn anything from this video, you must have skipped over the good parts. Go back and watch. If you're a subscriber to the channel, I want to say thank you for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the like button before you leave. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when my next video come out, just like this one up in the corner. This is Marco from Equipment Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Equipment.